Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Fun English. Today we go on a trip, a special trip. Not the supermarket, not the school, but to the zoo. Yes, the zoo. Lots of animals, lots of fun, and lots of English. Ready?
Yes.
Great. Imagine this. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. We walk to the zoo gate. Many people are waiting. Children are laughing. Everyone is excited. At the gate, a man smiles and says, "Hello, do you want a ticket?"
Yes, please.
Perfect. You can also say, "One ticket, please," or "I would like a ticket." The man gives you a ticket. You smile and say, "Thank you."
Thank you.
Excellent. He says, "You're welcome." And now we are inside the zoo. Wow, so many signs, so many paths. You see a big map. You want to know where the lions are. So you ask a worker, "Excuse me, where are the lions?"
Where are the lions?
Perfect. The worker points and says, "The lions are over there, near the elephants." You smile and say, "Thank you." We walk a little. We hear a sound. Roar! Yes, the lions. Big, strong lions. You say, "Wow, the lions are big."
The lions are big.
Good. You can also say, "The lions are strong," or "The lions are scary." Imagine the lions walking slowly. You take a picture and laugh. Next, we walk to another place. We hear funny sounds. The monkeys. They jump, they play, they eat bananas. You say, "The monkeys are funny."
The monkeys are funny.
Excellent. You can also say, "The monkeys are small," or "The monkeys are cute." One monkey looks at you and makes a face. You laugh and say, "The monkey is crazy." After that, we walk more. Boom, boom, boom. Big steps. We see elephants. Huge, gray, long nose. You say, "The elephant is big."
The elephant is big.
Very good. You can also say, "The elephant is strong," or "The elephant is slow." The elephant takes water and sprays it. Splash. We laugh. Now we see giraffes. So tall, long neck, eating leaves from a tree. You say, "The giraffe is tall."
The giraffe is tall.
Perfect. You can also say, "The giraffe is beautiful," or "The giraffe is amazing." We walk more. We see zebras, black and white stripes. You say, "The zebra is beautiful."
The zebra is beautiful.
Good. You can also say, "The zebra is black and white," or "The zebra is special." After walking, you are hungry. You see a small shop. The lady smiles and says, "Hello, what do you want?" You answer, "I want a sandwich."
I want a sandwich.
Excellent. You can also say, "One sandwich, please," or "I would like some water." She says, "Here you are, $3. You give her the money and say, "Here you are."
Here you are.
Perfect. Then you say, "Thank you." She says, "Thank you. Enjoy your food." We sit down, eat, drink, and look at the animals. You see children eating ice cream. You smile and say, "The ice cream looks good."
The ice cream looks good.
Very good. Now we walk again. We see birds, many colors, flying and singing. You say, "The birds are beautiful."
The birds are beautiful.
Excellent. You can also say, "The birds are small," or "The birds are colorful." Then we see pandas, black and white, eating bamboo. You say, "The panda is cute."
The panda is cute.
Good. You can also say, the panda is eating, or the panda is sleeping. At the zoo, you can also make small talk with people. For example, you say, "Hello, the zoo is big."
The zoo is big.
Yes. Or you say, "The animals are beautiful." Another person can answer, "Yes, they are beautiful." This is how we make friends. Before we leave the zoo, let's practice some strong sentences. Repeat with me. I can buy a ticket.
I can buy a ticket.
I can ask where animals are.
I can ask where animals are.
I can talk about animals.
I can talk about animals.
I can buy food.
I can buy food.
I can be friendly.
I can be friendly.
I can speak English in the zoo.
I can speak English in the zoo.
English is fun.
English is fun.
I am brave. I can speak.
I am brave. I can speak.
Excellent! Now the sun is going down. We walk to the zoo gate. We say, "Goodbye, lions. Goodbye, monkeys. Goodbye, elephants. Goodbye, zoo."
Goodbye, zoo.
Perfect! You learned English with animals today. It was simple, easy, and fun. Remember, English is not about grammar. English is about courage. You can speak, you can try, every day a little more. You will be strong, and English will be your friend. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.